How can we create an animation like this using artificial intelligence and with excellent quality? To do this, we first need to access Gemini AI, and I'll put the link in the first comment. Alright, you just write whatever image you have in mind and Gemini will generate an image for you. For example, here I said, create an image for me of a cute little girl eating spaghetti and drinking soda. So once the image is created, if you want to turn it into an animation, just tell it to turn this into an animation. Alright, after you download your picture from here, you go to this LTX AI. Alright, I'll put the link to the AI in the first comment for you. So when you first enter this advanced AI platform, you can carefully select the specific video mode. Here is the video mode right here. And once you have successfully selected it, you can then choose your preferred image from this dedicated section over on the side. After you've selected your image, just wait for the photo to upload. Once the photo is successfully uploaded, simply type in the desired text you want. I told it that this girl should eat the pasta first, then drink the soda. Alright, click this option to generate the video for you. Okay, as you can see, I've now created two videos. The first one is an anime, and after that I turned the same image into an animation and my video was created. You can download your video from this section, and if you want, you can make longer videos and then stitch them together using software and upload them to your desired platform.